Guys, autofanatic. It is Saturday morning. I got the 20-inch signature forge wheels off my GT350 on my workbench. I'm actually going to do a quick little detail and apply a coat of Colonite 476. You guys saw my video of the winter wheel and prep. I showed you guys how I did that on the floor. But for the most part, I usually try to do it on my workbench. Most of the time, I set the wheels and tires up with my rubber wheel chocks. Some guys put the wheel and tire on a 5-gallon bucket. Sometimes you could use a 32-gallon garbage pail to do any kind of detail wheels. But a bunch of people email me that they saw another big YouTuber using some sort of a custom stand to detail wheels, and I took a quick look at that thing, and it's really nothing proprietary. Every wheel and tire manufacturer has something like that in stock. All my friends that do refinishing and repairs of wheels, they have these rigs where the wheel goes on there and you could spin it and you could work around the full perimeter. Now, the reason I like to work on wheels, these are gloss black, so there's a good chance that if you do them on the floor, you're going to miss a whole bunch of detailed areas. I want to have full visual of the entire rim. And doing it on the workbench at eye level just makes it a lot easier, and it's going to make it more prone to doing a successful job. Whether you want to do a coating, ceramic coating, wax, sealant, decontamination, detail, whatever it is, it's always a good way to work where your wheel and tire is stable. But I found something really, really cool that I want to show you guys today and show you how it works. And I'm going to do a quick demo on the 20-inch signature wheel on my bench. This is made by the same company, Maxhall, that made the tire dolly that I introduced in a bunch of my videos. You guys picked them up, hundreds of them sold all over the country, and it's like the best bargain. I found something just as cool and super effective to detail the wheels and make your life a hell of a lot easier. So I'm going to remove the wheel chocks now. I'm going to get it set up, and I'm going to show you real quick and how you guys can pick this thing up for under 30 bucks and just be another cool tool to have in your garage. All right, guys, before we get started and before I move the wheel, I just wanted to show you, this is the Maxhall tire dolly right here. This is designed for motorcycle wheels, and it's made out of billet aluminum, has knurled rollers, ball bearing design. It has an extruded aluminum riser, so you could roll the wheel right up to the surface, and it has enough surface tension when the wheel is loaded that it's not going to spin out of control, and you could get a full 360 and work on the rim super, super easy, and it's actually the right size. They have a bunch of other ones on Amazon for motorcycles and bicycles. These things are too damn small. There's not enough width, not enough surface area, and not enough weight for this thing to be safe for a car wheel. So do not go and try to pick these up. The only one that I recommend is this one here by Maxhall. This is 26 bucks on Amazon. If you guys are interested, click the link in the video and buy it, because these are going to sell out soon. There's limited stock, and I'm going to show you right now how quick and easy it is to set this up. Carefully position your wheel, and let me just move my stuff out of the way here, and I'm going to show you how easy this is to just rotate the wheel if you guys want to do a full wheel detail. So, like for instance, I'm going to give it a quick mist just to get some of the dust off of it. This car is not getting used now at all, and it's just being parked in the garage, and there's just a lot of dust being blown around. And you pretty much go through your wheel just like that, and usually you're always going to miss spots on wheels, and that's why having a 360-degree tool and giving you that visual to go around the wheel, like I'm showing you here, is going to guarantee that you're going to get into the undercuts and all the areas that you're usually going to miss if you're doing this on the floor or you're doing this on the actual car. So just like that, you give the wheel a quick once over, and super, super easy, as I show you right here. Now, the dirtiest part of this wheel right now is the barrel. There's just a lot of rusty dust that comes off the brake rotors from the car sitting, but we're going to take care of that now. So let me just show you quick. Make some more room. We're going to just wheel it off, just like that. We're going to rotate it to do the barrel. Same process. Just get it up, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to give it a quick mist. I'm using the autofanatic 007, and we're going to go in there, and we're going gonna spin the wheel. And you gotta use two hands. And the good thing about this little stand is that it doesn't make the rim spin out of control. You actually have to use your arms and your strength to move it because the weight of the wheel is on a set of loaded rollers. So if this thing was spinning really, really fast, it's probably going to make it tip over and go out of control, and it's just not going to be a good thing. So for any of you guys that are like mobile detailers, this thing is so small, it takes up 1 square foot. So it's 12 by 12, and it's about maybe 2 inches tall. And you can throw this thing in the trunk of your car, in the back of your van, whatever you guys are doing. And I'll show you here. So we're going to do a little clay decontamination quick. We're going to use the Meguiar's Professional Clay. So I usually like to do that before I do any wax coatings, especially like these wheels have been driven on for a little bit. But the winter wheel and tire package on my Alfa Romeo, that was brand new from the dealer. And that's it. And you guys can see there in the camera, we got some contaminants. And we're just going to take the wheel and tire again and rotate it. And it just makes life a lot easier. And it's pretty stable. It's well built. I think it's a great value. And I just wanted to show it to you guys because a lot of people email me asking me about this custom stand that they saw on another video. And I'm just like, you know, something like that's easy to make. But to be honest with you, for under 30 bucks, it's not really worth making. You can see what's coming off the wheel right there. So we're going to go do this. And I didn't miss any spots, which is great. By spinning the wheel around, you're pretty much guaranteed you got everything. So, got a brand new Meguiar's yellow wax foam pad, Colonite 476, super double coat. And we're just going to give it a nice coating before I put them back in the car. And this is going to help keep them cleaner and make the wheel cleaning a lot easier. And the gloss black wheels are always a pain to maintain a good clean. So any kind of sealant, coating, ceramic coating, wax is going to just eliminate and reduce the surface tension. And that's really what you want, so you don't have to scrub and go crazy spending 2 hours cleaning your wheels. But for you guys that bought the autofanatic professional wheel cleaning system, you already know how awesome that is and how great it works. So we're about 72 degrees in here, ambient temp. So this is flashing pretty quick, and same procedure. If you want to do tire cleaning, like I showed you in my other video, a little mineral spirits, clean this up 1, 2, 3. Don't have to bust out the hose, and that's it. Okay, spin the wheel around. And that's it. So we're done. So just wanted to show you guys quick the Max Haul tire and wheel stand that I found on Amazon. I was doing a search and I saw these things and I picked a bunch of them up, and a lot of them were small, a lot of them didn't really work too good, and this one seems to be the one that I recommend you pick up. So click the link below in the video, order it on Amazon. These things will probably be out of stock in a couple of minutes when this video goes live, because I know a lot of you guys like cool, interesting things. And like I said, it's so small, you can throw this thing into your toolbox, trunk of your car, on a shelf, not a big deal. So see you guys soon. autofanatic@yahoo.com. Hope this helps you guys out. You get a new little tool to play around with when you want to do your rim and tire cleaning and detailing. Put it up on a work table or a workbench. Get full 360 degree workability, safety. You can see it's not going anywhere. And the fact that it's not spinning out of control, like if this was on like super big wheels with high-speed roller bearings, I wouldn't want to recommend anything like that to you guys. So being that you have to use two hands, you know, to kind of use it, it works great. So see you guys soon. Hope you guys liked the video, and I got 3 more wheels to pull off the car and do before I start the rest of my Saturday. See you guys soon. autofanatic@yahoo.com. Go to my website, autofanatic.com, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.